If you're interested in using kettlebells or looking for a simple routine to follow, I'd like to share with you my minimalist kettlebell workout that's inspired by legendary strength coach Dan John. Kettlebells are a great tool for building overall strength and conditioning and offer a dynamic method to improving your fitness. While I have fun exploring different kettlebell movements, the basics still make up the foundation of my kettlebell training sessions, like the goblet squat, clean, snatch, rows, overhead press, and the loaded carries. That actually leads into the minimalist kettlebell workout. Now, the minimalist kettlebell workout consists of 4 major movements: the push, pull, carry, and a total body exercise. What I like to do is take those 4 categories and place exercises into those categories according to upper, lower body, push, pull, total body movements, as well as different carries. Now, for instance, in the total category, I'll put in kettlebell clean, kettlebell snatches, Turkish get-ups, as well as the squat and press, and all the variations that come with those movements. For the upper body pull movements, I'll put in gorilla rows, renegade rows, staggered rows, bent over rows. And then for the lower body pull movements, I'll put in Romanian deadlifts, kettlebell swings, and all the different variations that come with those exercises as well. And I'll place more of the categories and exercise examples in the description below. Over the years of training with kettlebells, this minimalist kettlebell workout has been my go-to program when looking for an effective and efficient session that covers the whole body. Now, there are various ways you can approach each training session, but I'm going to break down one session for you. And as always, if you have any questions, please make sure to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them. For this session, I'm going to emphasize the upper body. So I'll take my 4 moving categories and select exercises according to my exercise library and get something that looks like this: total body, double kettlebell clean, push, alternating press, pull, staggered rows, carry, single arm rack carry. I'll do each exercise for 5 reps and perform carries for 20 seconds each side. Do this for 3 to 5 rounds with 2-minute rest between rounds, and you got yourself a 20 to 30 minute workout. Now, you can manipulate the weight used, prescribed reps, rest periods, and such to focus on building strength, muscle endurance, and conditioning. Now, there are other ways you can break down this workout depending on what your goal is, the time you have, and so forth. Say if you want to do a total body workout that works the both upper body and lower body. So what I like to do is place 2 series. For series A, I'll do a total push pull and not worry so much about the carry because I know I'm going to add the carry in my second series. But for the first series, I'll do a Turkish get up into a goblet squat into a gorilla row, doing however many sets and reps I want to do. Usually if I'm doing 2 series, I'll do most likely 3 to 4 sets or 3 to 4 rounds of anywhere between 4 to 6 reps of each exercise, depending. But that's just an example. For series B, I'm going to do a total pull, push, carry. So how that's going to look like is a squat press, a swing, a floor press, and then a farmer walks. All right. So that's basically 2 series covering the whole body, both upper and lower body, into a full training session. By using these 4 movements, you can create your own complete kettlebell workout that is efficient and effective. Thanks for tuning into the channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the like button. Also, if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel for more cool vibes. Mahalo, that's Pauka Papa, Aloha, and Awiho. Shoots.